Inequality shading. So for this example, we're going to shade solution of this equation where it reads x plus y is greater than or equal to 1. What you first need to do is you need to solve for y. So when you solve for y, the equation is going to read y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 1. We're going to insert this into our calculator and press y screen. So now we have all the equations y1, y2, y3, 4, and so on. Enter it in, negative x plus 1. But now, you notice we need to have the symbols where it reads greater than, equal to, less than, symbols for the inequalities. This one we're going to turn an application on. Application we turn on called inequalities. Now, an example in the literature shows in number 5. Some calculators is different. As you scroll down though through the different applications you have, look for this inequalities. Press enter. So now we go back to our home screen for our graph and equations. If you notice, now it brings up the equal, less than equal to, and all the symbols for the inequalities. So in order to activate these, if I need to first push alpha, so in this case I'm looking for where y is greater than, equal to negative x plus 1. So above the equal symbol here, if I push alpha greater than equal to symbol, it shows up, brings up the shaded region. If you notice here also in the triangle change. This shows that when you graph this equation, it will shade above this line. Go ahead, hit graph, and there is our solution shaded above that region. Now, in order to turn off this program, so for instance, if you went back and you were to add some different equation in, 3x plus 1, let's say, and you wanted to graph that 3 times 3x plus 1 in this region, it would still call it up, and you just wanted to graph the equation alone. So I'm going to turn this off, go push the application key, go down this one, and it'll say it's continue running. Well, I want to quit this inequalities. So go ahead and hit enter, come back to a Y key. If you notice now, my inequality symbols below the screen are off, and I can just graph the simple equation of 3x plus 1 without any kind of shading or any kind of other problems.